Did you know there are only four types of teas? Or maybe you could say three types of teas: green tea, black tea, oolong tea, and Darjeeling tea. I'm going to say it again: oolong tea, green tea, Darjeeling tea, and black tea, which is really fermented green tea. So maybe you could say there are only three teas. All the other teas we're drinking, they're herbs. But that's good. Herbs really are just plants, and plants are good for you. Why? Because they suck up all the nutrients from the soil, even though our soil supply is so depleted and low. It is. It's not like it was 10 years ago, 20 years ago, 50 years ago. However, there are still some nutrients in that soil because guess what? Most of the nutrients come from the rock. The goodies that doesn't come in the form of minerals from rocks come from the sun. So you get that really good chlorophyll. You get antioxidants, immune boosting properties. So you get all kind of amazing benefits inside those teas because again, they are plants. So I have a guest joining us at our Financially Fit event this upcoming Saturday who sells her own blends of her own who sells her own blend of herbs. So let's take a look at come in. So let's take a look at let's see how we can support her, purchase some of her products, and maybe even refer a few others to her. Let's see how we can support each other. All right, let's see what she's talking about.
Beauties, we have an amazing guest with us today, Africa Hollinger, and she's going to talk about her love of teas and why she's so passionate and excited about teas. Tell us about your teas, Africa, and welcome to Inward Beauty.
Thank you so much for having me today. I'm so blessed and honored to be speaking with you about my passions about tea and healing and medicine. And I started my holistic wellness business, Fresh Rain Holistic, last year during the pandemic, in the midst of so many people getting ill and just having a lot of sinus infections and things of that nature. But even before then, I was offering my knowledge and my teas to my peers, my family members, my classmates, and things of that nature. And the thing that grounds my passion, as I stated before, is just the multi-use of the teas themselves. And I'm actually very excited about the ways that you can utilize plants and herbs to your benefit to promote your health and your wellness. Our superior has given us this beautiful earth so that we can rule over it and use the greenery, use the foliage for our medicinal uses, our medicinal needs. So I was encouraged to move away from the pharmaceutical medicines that people tell us so often that we have to stick beside. And I would love to just encourage people to take the time to utilize herbs, utilize the plants and the things that we have around us to make things like tea tonics, to make things like baths, hair washes, steams for, your sinuses. And as I stated, you can place the herbs inside of your diffusers. You can boil them in your homes and just inhale the fumes. They are anti-carcinogenic, which means they won't cause cancers and things of that nature. They combat as many illnesses as possible. So that's what got me grounded. That's what got me super passionate about it in general.
Awesome. So I've never put tea inside a diffuser. You mean like the actual little leaves, or you mean like the water that's brewed?
Yeah, so you could actually use, so we all know tea itself, and some people actually might not know, tea itself is just boiled hot water, right? And so we utilize the herbs and place it in that hot water. You can have honey tea and just boil the water and place strictly honey inside of your tea. You know what I mean? And so when you utilize the tea herbs inside of your diffuser, you get the crushed herbs, and yes, you place them in the oils and things of that nature. And and it'll spread around your home, your office spaces, or wherever you have it.
Yeah, I haven't done that yet. So your teas, do they come in an organic cotton pouch or linen pouch or?
So actually the teas come in a vacuum sealed pouch in stores, actually, just to preserve the freshness of it all and the safety of its delivery. But when I do deliver the teas on hand, or at your upcoming event, Financially Fit, they will be delivered in a burlap sack, which is similar to this. So just be super prepared to just have your own little sack to carry with you, and it won't be in a little vacuum sealed Ziploc container. So yeah, I definitely do try my best to keep it on a more organic route. But of course, in stores, when they have to be shipped and packaged all over, I will keep them in that vacuum sealed pouch just for easy transportation.
Got it. So you hear that, beauties? Have your own pouch. Bring your own bag. BYOB. Bring your own organic bag. And I keep a plastic satchel with me when I'm gonna do anything in bulk. I stopped right after the COVID scare. So yes. Africa, you will be at the Financially Fit event this upcoming Saturday, October 16th. We're really excited about it. What should our beauties expect? How much are some of your offerings, your teas and such?
So I will be offering my smudge sticks in addition to my teas. My tea satchels will be ranging between $5 and $8, depending on the size of your handheld satchel. And the smudge sticks themselves will be $10 each. And you will be getting a limited edition tea satchel, which you cannot find in stores. So the teas that I sell in stores contain 4 ingredients: lavender, chamomile, hibiscus, and jasmine flower. Now, the ones that I will be selling at the Financially Fit event, however, will include cedar, juniper, black sage, white sage, blue sage, desert sage, rosemary, lavender, and eucalyptus. So those are 10 power-packed herbs that will guarantee your satisfaction and satisfy your needs, whether it be medicinal, spiritual, or just to relax the mind and just promote your own mental wellness. So I would encourage you guys to either drink the teas, you can bathe in the teas, which I would boil them on the stove and probably just pour it inside of my bath water after you sift through. If you don't mind the herbs just kind of floating around in the bathtub, but it can get a little messy. So I would boil it beforehand or I would just get the satchel. Like I said, it will be in a porous burlap bag such as this, so you can actually hang it or sit it inside of your shower near your shower head and allow the steam itself to just illuminate while you are bathing, and it will have such a subtle but powerful effect on your respiratory system. And like I said, you can wash your hair with it. I see you have locks. So the tincture would be great for detoxing your locks, improving the wellness of your skin, anti-aging, and just fighting off the many viral infections and common colds and things of that nature that we have going around. And any dis-ease that you feel you may have, it will be beneficial for you to take the teas.
Awesome. Well, thank you so much, Africa, for joining us at Inward Beauty today. Last question before we retire. How can our beauties get in contact with you either before the event or if they don't get a chance to meet you in person at the Financially Fit event this upcoming Saturday?
That is such a beautiful question. Thank you so much for asking.
Mm-hmm.
So the way that you guys can contact me, you can either phone me, but I would prefer text message because it's so many, it's a lot of phone calls that come in and out, and we all know Scam Likely is just like a serpent somewhere. So definitely text me FRH. And I would know exactly what you need, and that will stand for Fresh Rain Holistic. So if you text me FRH to 857-930-0044, then I will call you in return or text you back to fulfill your needs. You can also email me at fresh.rain.spprt, and rain is not spelled RAIN, it's spelled REIGN, like royalty. So fresh.rain.spprt, and that's support without the vowels, at gmail.com. And you can also direct message me on Instagram at fresh.rain.holistic.wellness. And it's long, but after Fresh Rain, it's probably going to pop up anyways.
Mm-hmm.
So those are the ways that you can reach me. And I will be in response between that exact second and within 24 hours.
Africa Hollinger Beauties, thank you for tuning in to Inward Beauty, where we remind beauties everywhere of how beauty starts within.
Thank you.
You're welcome.